Hi, I'm Donnica Austin-Cathey, and I am a GSU alumna. I graduated from GovState University with a Master's in Health Administration in 1998. So I grew up here in the south suburbs. I am a native of Hazel Crest, Illinois, and both of my parents are college graduates, and I come from a family of educators, and so college for me was just a natural progression. My plan was originally to be a physician. I had always talked about from the age of 7 of being a doctor, and so that was what I had planned to do. And I went there with eyes wide open and ready to begin my journey to being a physician, and graduated with a bachelor's in biology. And as I was completing my studies, decided that I would pause before applying to medical school, and decided to get a master's in health administration. And a lot of people were asking me, are you sure that that's what you want to do? You've always talked about being a physician. I chose GovState because of the recognition of the programs in the Chicagoland and the state of Illinois. There were many alum who I knew, and it was always a well-recognized university. When I attended GSU, I was a young administrator, and so I was traveling between my time at Mount Sinai Hospital and attending school at night. One of the things that really attracted me also to the program was the flexibility of being able to take classes in the afternoon, in the evening, and it wasn't the stress of, having to, take classes at certain times. I'm most proud of being a mom. I have 2 amazing children, and I thought it would really be a great opportunity for me to be close to home and still be at a program that's well known. There were a few classes that really opened my eyes to a different aspect of healthcare. Traditionally, people aren't exposed to the executive administrative portion of healthcare, and so having those classes and being able to do the work in those areas really got me excited about the point that I could actually run a hospital at some point. That's not a profession that's typically exposed to people, and so having done the work on an administrative side and being exposed to it, I think from GSU, it's really helped me to propel. GovState is a diverse mix from around the Chicagoland and South suburban area, and I really felt like the students and the professors here had the same type of goals that I had, and so it very much aligned with where I wanted to be. Do what you're passionate about, because the doors will open when you feel like you really love doing something. The doors will be there to open up for you, and people will help you. I have been with Sinai Health System for over 25 years, serving in various roles, and most recently as president of John H. Stroger of Cook County Hospital. If you spend any time in those communities on the south and west sides of Chicago, you will find that access to care is an issue. So what we try to do every day is to really focus on the health of the communities we serve. I received the Distinguished Alumni Award in healthcare, and I am incredibly humbled and feel very blessed to have received that. It is because of the work and the time that I spent here at GSU that I am where I am today. I would say to alumni of GSU to really get involved and engage with your classmates and with your professors. Spend some time getting to know people can really help pave the way for different opportunities that could exist outside of the 4 walls of the school. I belonged at GSU because GSU aligned with my personal goals.